Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to stream League of Legends using OBS. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First things first, go ahead and open your OBS application on your computer. Now here's an important note before we continue. Make sure League of Legends is already running or open in the background. This is crucial because OBS needs the game to be active in order to detect it properly when we set up the capture. Once OBS is open, look at the bottom of your screen where you'll find the Scenes section. Click the plus icon to add a new scene. When the prompt appears, give it a descriptive name like League of Legends so you can easily identify it later. This helps keep your scenes organized, especially if you plan to stream multiple games or create different layouts. After naming it, click OK to create the scene. Now navigate to the Sources section in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click the plus icon here to add a new source. You'll see a list of different capture options appear. While you could select Game Capture, for this example we're going to select Window Capture instead, which tends to work more reliably with League of Legends. After selecting it, click OK to proceed. Next, you'll need to configure the Window Capture settings. At the top of the settings window, you'll see an option labeled Window. Click the drop-down menu right beside it to view all available windows on your system. From this list, select Riot Client. This is where League of Legends can be found since the game runs through Riot Games' client platform. After selecting the Riot client from the drop-down, click OK to apply these settings. At this point, you should see your League of Legends window appear in the OBS preview area. However, it might not fill the entire screen perfectly yet. To fix this and make your stream look professional, go back to the Sources section in the bottom left. Right-click on the window capture source you just created. When the context menu appears, hover your mouse over Transform to reveal additional options. From this submenu, select Fit to Screen. This will automatically resize your League of Legends capture to fill the entire preview window, giving your viewers the best possible viewing experience. Now you're all set up and ready to go live. When you're ready to start broadcasting your gameplay, simply click the Start Streaming button located in the right panel of OBS. Your League of Legends stream will begin and viewers will be able to watch your gameplay in real time. And that's how you stream League of Legends with OBS. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.